Knoxville homeowners know that local weather can be unpredictable. From humid summers and heavy rain to chilly winter mornings and the occasional storm, your home's exterior needs to handle it all. When it comes to upgrading your windows, choosing the right casement window frame material is just as important as selecting the style itself. The right frame will improve energy efficiency, reduce maintenance, and protect your home for years to come. Casement windows are especially popular in Knoxville because they open outward with a crank, allowing excellent ventilation and tight sealing when closed. But their performance depends heavily on the strength and durability of the frame material. Here's what works best in East Tennessee's climate. Vinyl frames. A reliable, low-maintenance choice. Vinyl is one of the most common materials for casement windows, and for good reason. Knoxville's hot, humid summers can cause some materials to warp or swell, but high-quality vinyl frames are built to resist moisture and temperature changes. They do not rot, corrode, or require repainting. For homeowners focused on energy savings, vinyl is a smart option. It provides excellent insulation, helping keep cool air inside during July heat and warm air inside during winter cold snaps. That can translate into lower energy bills and a more comfortable home year-round. Vinyl frames are also budget-friendly, making them a popular choice for families who want dependable performance without stretching their renovation budget. Fiberglass frames. Built for strength and stability. If you're looking for durability and long-term performance, fiberglass frames are worth considering. Knoxville weather often swings between extremes, and fiberglass handles expansion and contraction better than many other materials. This stability helps prevent air leaks and maintains a tight seal over time. Fiberglass is also highly resistant to moisture, which is important during Tennessee's rainy seasons. Unlike wood, it won't absorb water, swell, or deteriorate. It's strong enough to support larger panes of glass as well, allowing homeowners to enjoy wide, unobstructed views of the Smoky Mountain landscape. While fiberglass frames may cost more upfront than vinyl, many Knoxville homeowners appreciate their longevity and minimal maintenance needs. Wood frames. Classic beauty with extra care. There's no denying the warmth and traditional appeal of wood window frames. In historic Knoxville neighborhoods, wood casement windows often complement the architectural style of older homes beautifully. However, wood requires more upkeep in a humid climate. Without proper sealing and maintenance, it can be vulnerable to moisture damage, rot, and warping. Homeowners who choose wood frames should be prepared for periodic painting or staining to protect the material. For those who love the look of wood but want better weather resistance, wood-clad windows offer a practical compromise. These windows feature a wood interior for beauty and an exterior layer of aluminum or vinyl for added protection against Knoxville's elements. Aluminum frames. Sleek but less insulated aluminum frames offer a modern, slim profile and impressive strength. They are resistant to rust and can handle exposure to heavy rain and sun. However, aluminum is a conductor of heat, which means it doesn't insulate as well as vinyl or fiberglass. In Knoxville's climate, where both summer heat and winter chill are factors, aluminum frames may not deliver the same energy efficiency benefits as other materials unless they include thermal breaks. For homeowners prioritizing a contemporary design, aluminum can work well, but it's important to consider insulation performance. Choosing the best option for your Knoxville home. The best casement window frame material depends on your priorities. If you want affordability and low maintenance, vinyl is a strong contender. If long-term durability and structural strength matter most, fiberglass is an excellent investment. If you value traditional charm, wood or wood-clad frames can enhance your home's character with proper care. Knoxville weather demands materials that can handle humidity, temperature swings, and seasonal storms. By selecting the right casement window frame material, you're not just upgrading your windows, you're improving comfort, efficiency, and protection for your entire home. Before making a final decision, consider speaking with a local window professional who understands East Tennessee's climate. The right guidance ensures your new casement windows will perform beautifully, no matter what Knoxville weather brings.